Okay, that was kind of too short. Why wouldn't this one be crawling that good?
You win it yourself. 999,999.
Maybe this one
Finally.
was bought at Walmart or something. This one might have been bought at Walmart, and this one, yeah, this one was at Walmart, and this one was at just this. That's why that one's not working that good.
Are you okay? I think so. Thanks for caring, Bailey. It's for fun.
Actually being nice to Bailey. Oh, thanks, you bet.
Actually, the bet's over. Lincoln was genuinely being nice. Huh, I guess I was. Mr. Blinket broke me.
Or he helped you. Gotta hand it to Mr. Blanket.
Scruffy.
Might be a little bit nutty, but he does know how
What?
to help you.
He doesn't explore, really.
Feel my sting! I faced a giant bee and I won! I'm not afraid anymore! I'm cured! The blanket method always works! Can someone get me a rabbit?
Oh, the cube world's asleep. I wonder if the dog did anything when I was gone. Probably not.
So random about this talented crew.
Oh, he fell asleep.
With a chance to
Dan falls asleep a lot.
It's on.
The new one.
Hey, what's up? I'm Miley Cyrus from Hannah
Oh, this first one's stuck. Ah, that one tipped over.
Start the clock. It's Disney Channel's 3-minute game show, Hannah Montana Edition.
Achoo!
I'm Jason Earls, and you're tuned in to one of the fastest game shows on TV. Today, we're testing your knowledge of Hannah Montana. But first, let's meet our players. We've got Totally Terrific Tara. What's up? We have Babyface Vicky. And Tony the Tough Guy. All right. In round one, we'll ask you multiple choice questions about the show, and the two players who get the most right will be moving on to the final speed round. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, then let's do it. Miley, you're up first.
Who was the second person that Miley revealed her secret to? Lily, Oliver, or Rico?
Players, lock in your answers. All right. Here's Miley to tell us who it was.
Let's get the
Lily was
series
the
out.
second person Miley saw.
Everybody got that one. Good job. Now moving right along. Who is Mitchell Musso's favorite guest character on the show? Is it Aunt Dolly, Uncle Earl, or Mr. Donner?